Hello student. Today I will start new chapter atom. You are very familiar with the atom in the previous classes. What are the constituents of the atoms? Better you know. Electron, proton and neutron. J.J. Thomson discovered the electron. Electron is a negatively charged particle, whereas proton a positively charged particle. In 1911, first time the first attempt was made to describe the shape and structure of an atom by J.J. Thomson. In 1911, first time the first attempt was made by J.J. Thomson to describe the shape and structure of the atom. He proposed his model about the atom, and that model was known as J.J. Thomson model of atom. J.J. Thomson model of atom. He was the first man. Although it was discarded, but it laid down a basic platform for the further researcher. What are the basic features of the J.J. Thomson model of atom? The first basic feature, according to the J.J. Thomson, the atom is a spherical in shape, atom spherical in shape. That means there is a charge, a positively charged sphere. Atom is a positively charged sphere. Atom is a positively charged sphere. Positively charged sphere. एटम जो है पॉजिटिवली चार्ज एक स्फीयर की भांति है. सिंस एटम इज न्यूट्रल, एटम क्या है? न्यूट्रल. दैट मीन्स जे.जे. थॉमसन ने कहा है ना, न्यूट्रलिटी ऑफ द एटम एग्जिस्ट. न्यूट्रलिटी ऑफ एटम एग्जिस्ट, यानी एटम जो होता है वह न्यूट्रल होता है. दैट मीन्स negatively charged particles are also in the atom. So third was, this was second, third was the basic structure. According to J.J. Thomson, the electrons are embedded in the charge sphere. Suppose that this is the charge sphere. ठीक है ना. This is a positively charged sphere. Positively charged sphere. Inside the positively charged sphere, the electrons are embedded. The electrons are embedded so that the neutrality of the atom exists. So that neutrality of the atom exists. The embedment of the electron inside the atom is similar to the plums are embedded in pudding. Plums are embedded in pudding. It is a dry fruit grapes in the seed embedded. यह एक फ्रूट है ग्रेप की तरह का जिसके अंदर सीड जिस तरह एम्बेडेड होता है, ठीक उसी तरह इन्होंने माना कि प्लम जो होते हैं, दैट मीन्स द नेगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल्स आर एम्बेडेड इन पुडिंग, दैट मीन्स द पॉजिटिवली चार्ज स्फीयर. सो दिस मॉडल, द नेगेटिवली चार्ज पार्टिकल, negatively charged particles are embedded inside the positively charged sphere, similar to the plum embedded inside the pudding, similar to the plums embedded in pudding. इन्होंने बताया कि ठीक उसी तरह ये एम्बेडेड रहते हैं जिस तरह प्लम जो है पुडिंग के अंदर. सो द थॉमसन मॉडल वाज आल्सो नोन एज द प्लम पुडिंग मॉडल. प्लम पुडिंग मॉडल. इसलिए जे थॉमसन मॉडल को हम प्लम पुडिंग मॉडल के नाम से भी जानते हैं. जे थॉमसन कि ये 3-4 विशेषताएं थी. पहली विशेषता क्या है? द एटम इज ए पॉजिटिवली चार्ज स्फीयर. सेकेंड विशेषता के द न्यूट्रलिटी ऑफ द एटम एग्जिस्ट. थर्ड विशेषता क्या थी? द electrons, that is the negatively charged particles embedded inside the charge sphere in such a way that the neutrality exists. The embedment of the electron inside the atom in such a way such that just like the plums are embedded in the pudding. So this model was also known as the plum pudding model. This is the charge sphere. Is clear? Charge sphere. The charge density on the charge sphere is uniform. दूसरा जो चौथा था वह जो चार्ज डेंसिटी थी on the sphere, surface of a sphere is uniform. Charge density is uniform over the sphere. Is clear? Fifth जो थी, the nucleus size, that is the size of diameter of the atom he measured 10 to the power -8 मीटर। जो इन्होंने जो डायमीटर मापा था वो था 10 to the power -8। These are the some basic feature of the J.J. Thomson model. But what was the reason due to which, वे क्या कारण थे, that is why this model is discarded. The first reason was he did not explain how and why the alpha scattering takes place when a strike on an atom. जब अल्फा पार्टिकल किसी एटम से टकराता है तो हाउ एंड वाई, कैसे और क्यों, इट स्कैटर्ड, या स्कैटर क्यों होता है बाई सम एंगल और सम लार्ज एंगल, या कैसे होता है, इसके बारे में उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बताया था। सेकंड ड्रॉबैक क्या था, he did not explain the spectrum obtained from the atoms. जो एटॉमिक स्पेक्ट्रम प्राप्त हुआ था उसके बारे में उन्होंने वह कुछ भी कह पाने में समर्थ, वो उसके बारे में नहीं बता पाए। थर्ड, जो हमने पहला बताया था कि अल्फा स्कैटर्ड, तो सिंस द पॉजिटिवली चार्ज स्फीयर, अल्फा पार्टिकल आर आल्सो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज, so the simple reason is due to the repulsion between the charged particles. But why and when, यह कैसे और क्यों होता है, इसके बारे में उन्होंने नहीं बताया। थर्ड, he unable to explain the position, exact position of the electron and proton, that is the positively charged particles inside the atom. He did not describe about it. These are some drawbacks of the J.J. Thomson model, due to which this model was completely discarded. इसको छोड़ दिया गया। But this model laid down a basic platform for the further incoming, just like the Rutherford and his associate, to lay down a new model of the atom. So, in the next session, I will talk about the Rutherford model of atom. Thanks.